Are you guys still using Postman? If yes, then you definitely should check this video out because there is a VScode extension that allows you to test your APIs like you usually do on Postman. So let's check it out. Okay, so if you guys are still using Postman, it's still fun. You guys can keep on using it. And if you guys are just using it for simple stuff like testing your APIs that you guys built or to just check what the response is of a specific API, then there is a much better way of doing it. So if you guys want to start using VS Code to test your APIs, the first thing that you'll have to do is go to this extensions, click on the extensions icon. A tab would open up, search for Thunder Client, click on the first result and install it. I already have it installed, so I won't be installing it again. So once it's done installing, you can click on this icon. It will open up a new tab on VS Code. You can click on new request and then you can start using it like you usually use Postman. You can paste get APIs, you can test post APIs, and you will get the response down here. And if I make it full screen, you can see that I have gotten the result now. And I can even make post requests, put, delete, patch, everything that you are able to do on Postman you can do using VS Code now. So once I found this extension, I was able to test my APIs much faster and it saves me a lot of time. So I would highly recommend you guys to try it out just once. This has been Rihanna Abid. See you guys in the next video. Bye.